Welcome back, THFers. If you have a 2016 or 17 Honda Accord and you have these crappy headlights and you want to get to those factory Honda LED Touring headlights, you can make it happen. We've got the harness and we've got the conversion kit for it, baby. Now you want to convert yours and make it look top notch, you can do that today. Here's what they look like when they're on. Nice, beautiful touring headlights. And this is the beam pattern against that wall. They look amazing. High beam, low beam, it looks great. If you want to upgrade today, you can get it done. Like I said, we have the real harnesses, not those fake ones that come from eBay and then they have the hyper flash and all that stuff. I'm sure some of you have had that issue before, but now you don't have to have that issue. Get the harness from us. If you don't want to purchase anything from us and you need that harness, you would probably want to get it from us. Again, it comes with the resistors and everything. Got these crappy headlights? Again, you can definitely make it touring now. Upgrade today.